In this session, we see about representation of materials and symbols of springs and gears. First, the types of materials. There are 5 types of materials: metals, glass, and packing and insulating materials, liquids, woods, concrete. First, we see about the metals, metal symbols. There are 2 types: the ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. The steels, cast irons, copper, and its alloys are uh, ferrous metal. The non-ferrous metals are lead, zinc, tin, white metal, etc. The ferrous metals are represented as in rectangular box as a slanting line, and the non-ferrous metals, the slanting lines are in zigzag. Next, we see the representation of glass and its convention mode of symbol. In this, small lines are dotted. Next one, packing and insulating materials. The insulating materials, uh, dotted lines. This one for porcelain, stoneware, marble, etc. Next one, the zigzag is where someone slightly is drawn. Asbestos, fiber, synthetic resin products, paper, cork, rubber, leather, and etc. In liquids, water, oil, petrol, kerosene, etc. This is represented as dotted line in straight. Woods and these are represented as this like, and concrete are represented small dots and the dot in big dots. Next, we see about the symbols of springs. That one, the types of springs. There are 14 types of springs: compression spring with circular section, compressor spring with square section. In the compressor spring, there are 2 types. That one is circular section and the square section. Next one, the tension spring, helical torsion spring, circular section, rectangular section, spring stacked in parallel, spiral spring, unwounded, spiral spring wounded with barrel, without ties. These are the leaf springs, without ties, with ties, with ties with central band, with ties with without ties with central band, with ties with central band. Sorry. Uh, there are next we see the symbols of springs. First, compression spring with circular section. This is in actual projection. Means the actual projection. We let you see about in actual projection view, in the front view, and sectional view is the cutted view. Next one, we represented in a drawing in convention mode, zigzag and straight and center a straight line. Compression spring with square section in the front view and that section view. Next one, the this denoted as with a square box like a circular section. Next one, the tension spring. It is used to the for the tension purpose. This is represented in the convention mode in drawing. Helical torsion spring. This is the symbol with circular section. Conical helical springs with circular section. This is the front view. This is the section view of the conical helical springs with a circular section. Conical helical springs. This is a cone-like structure. In the front view, this is the view and the sectional view, and it's a drawing in the symbols, the percentage symbols. Next we see about the disc springs and spiral springs and leaf springs. Spring, the first one, the spring with one layer view, and the actual front view and the sectional view, and in conventional mode the diagrams are denoted as this like, stacked in parallel. There are a number of discs stacked in parallel. It is front view and this is sectional view, and it's the conventional mode of view. Stacked in series. These are the symbols. Spiral spring unwound. Spiral spring wound with barrel without ties, and the leaf springs are in the 4 types: without ties, with ties, without ties with center band, with ties, and the center band. These are the symbols. of the left springs. Next we see about the symbols of gears. First we see the types of gears. There are 5 types of gears: spur and helical gear, spur or helical gear, screw gear, rack and pinion, bevel gear, worm and worm wheel. Next we see about symbols of gears. Spur or helical gears in the conventional mode, screw gears, rack and pinion, bevel gears, worm and worm wheel gears. These are the symbols in conventional. It's used in the drawing purpose. That's all. Thank you.